I still remember the moment when my wife said, "I can't wear my wedding or engagement rings anymore." I was shocked and concerned as she took them off her finger and told me with sadness, "They need to be repaired because the diamond baguettes are falling out." With a deep sigh of relief, I realized she was talking about the years of wear and tear on the ring and not the marriage. So we went to go get them repaired. We discovered that jewelers handle such restorations very delicately and with extreme care. When something as precious as a wedding ring is damaged, they have to be cautious and make sure that they don't do even more harm. We may find that the wear and tear of the world has led to the compromise and sin of a brother or sister in the faith. When that happens, Galatians 6:1 tells us how to respond. It reads, "Brothers and sisters, if someone is caught in a sin, you who live by the Spirit should restore that person gently." The believer who struggles with sin is still precious to God, even if the jewels of the gospel are falling out. The Apostle Paul instructs us, like a skilled jeweler, to restore that person gently. Restoration looks like lovingly identifying the damage and gently showing how to bend what's been damaged back into shape. But we're also warned, watch yourselves or you also may be tempted. The delicate process of restoration can be destructive if there's a heavy-handed judgmental approach, if we tell more than we listen, and confront more than we console. We might actually end up causing more damage than we intend. Fortunately, like wedding rings that get worn and damaged over time, God has given us each other to be reformed and restored into the people He's called us to be. Who might you need to restore gently today?